This video will look at how to enable full and coded record access for a patient using online services in System 1. So if a patient's got access to Airmid or to SystmOnline. First, this needs enabling in your organisation preferences. Here you can set the defaults for coded and full record access. So for instance, you might have a policy at your organisation that everyone can see all coded data, but only full record access from a certain date onwards. These are only the default settings and can be amended on a patient-by-patient basis. Let's look at how to do that now. In a patient's record, navigate to the tree and find the Online Services option. If a patient is being registered for online services for the first time, you can select if they are getting full or coded access in a screen like this. If you are amending a patient's current online services access, the screen looks like this. Options on either of these screens will do exactly the same thing. So for our patient here, it has picked up the defaults from the organisation preferences. I can adjust the date of visibility if I wanted to. There is also an option to give the patient both coded and full record access. So if I select this option, they would see their coded record data up until the date set for them to then see full record access onwards. Note that setting coded or full record consent will populate a review date for their online record access. This can be amended at any time by selecting this option. Another video you might find useful is how to mark particular entries in a patient's record to not be visible online. Thanks for watching.